Hi, I'm Ann from Brookstone, and today I want to tell you about the Square One Wake Up Therapy Light. This is the world's smallest and most portable wake-up light. Set your alarm, and 15 minutes before your desired wake-up time, the light panel gradually increases in intensity. Square One uses 10,000 LUX Bright light therapy to help your body prepare to wake up restfully. Not only that, the Square One has a pleasant bird call alarm as well. It has a high-performance LED screen which displays the time as well as your alarm. Use with the included AC adapter or run it off its rechargeable battery. It takes 2 hours to charge and can last up to 8 15-minute light sessions. For more information about this and our other great products, check us out at brookstone.com.